Greetings from the Pediatric Gastroenterology, Hepatology, Liver Transplantation and Nutrition team at the Apollo Center for Advanced Pediatrics at the Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi, India. Our KVO academic program started in 2011. KVO stands for Kunwar Veer Oswal, one of our children who passed away, and the parents decided to initiate this academic activity. In 2011, we came together, brought experts, and had a roundtable conference on acute liver failure, which then resulted in a publication in Indian Pediatrics. The next year, we brought experts together to debate and create a consensus on neonatal cholestasis, which then resulted in a position paper that got published in Indian Pediatrics. In 2013, we created a postgraduate course in gastroenterology, hepatology and nutrition, which was very popular, had lots of delegates from many different parts of Asia. And in 2014, in addition to the postgraduate course, we decided that the time was right to start a hands-on endoscopy workshop. Both of these activities continued in 2015. We had faculty and delegates from more than 15 countries, and the program really was very successful and we got excellent feedback. This year in 2016, in August, on 20th and 21st, we'd like to invite you to come and become a part of the KVO Hot Topics on pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology, nutrition and liver transplantation. So we are going to be covering the most important topics, the topics that interest each one of us. Controversies in Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, pancreatitis. We'll talk about fecal microbiota transplantation, motility disorders. We look at management of short bowel syndrome. We look at the newer treatment options in hepatitis B and C. We debate what is the right treatment for portal hypertension. We look at the newer developments in metabolic liver disease, what's new in liver transplantation, what have we learnt in Budd-Chiari syndrome. The sessions will be interactive. There will also be an opportunity to discuss interesting cases that the delegates can bring with them. We have confirmed faculty of 58 from India and from leading centers across the world. So this program will bring together faculty and delegates from more than 15 countries. We hope that you are able to join us. We promise you a great time and a taste of the hospitality. For those who want to take part in the endoscopy workshops, they can stay on for 2 more days and look at newer techniques in endoscopy and how they can get better at doing procedures. We also have a course for beginners, those who want to go back to their units and start endoscopy. So as I was saying, come and become a part of this program, enjoy the Delhi hospitality, the Apollo hospitality, and really make this program, which is the most sought after pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology, liver transplantation program, not just in India, but in Asia, a big success. Looking forward to seeing you in August.
Hello, I am Dr. Sarath Gopalan, a senior pediatric gastroenterologist at this hospital, the Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, and the co-chairperson of the KVO update, which we have been conducting the 4th year running. And this year we have brought about a slight different approach to the program. Rather than have it as a structured course, there are a lot of interesting topics where there's a lot of discussion and controversies about these topics. So we have got the title as Hot Topics in Pediatric Gastroenterology and Hepatology. So this year we are focusing more on the controversies and the differences in approach to certain conditions seen in regular pediatric practice. For example, chronic pancreatitis, autoimmune hepatitis, inflammatory bowel disease, and also trying to find out what is new in certain emerging areas in pediatric gastroenterology where an abundance of information is being added on every year, such as allergic disorders of the gut. There's a lot to learn in these areas. This year, there's a special attempt to make the program even more interactive with more case scenarios interspersed between the presentations so that there's an active interaction with the audience. We are also having certain topics which are indicators of newer modalities of intervention, such as fecal transplantation for changing the gut microbiota in certain situations like inflammatory bowel disease, for example. This is one of the newer modes of treatment. And also the short gut syndrome, the recent advances, and a bit more on small bowel transplantation will also be addressed. It is hoped that this year we will have a greater interaction with established practitioners of pediatric gastroenterology who are coming from around the world over, who are participating in this program. And it would be interesting to see how the discussion shapes up in this whole program. Thank you very much.